code. Hello and welcome. We've got a lot of fun stuff for you today. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Hey everyone. Today, we're diving into procedures, functions, in assembly. Procedures help us break our code into reusable chunks, making it more modular. A null terminated string. Space to store our result. Let's define our procedure to find the length of a string. Function, str_length. Input, ESI pointer to string. Output, EX, length of string. Save ESI because we'll modify it. Clear EX, which will hold the count. Check if we've reached the null terminator. Move to next character. Increase counter. Repeat. Restore ESI. Return with EX holding string length. Call the procedure to get the string length. Load address of string into ESI. Call our function. Store result. Exit the program. Syscall exit. Status 0. That's a wrap. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting videos.